Hello once again, and greetings from Japan. Today is May the 3rd, 2021, and today we have a Honda Freed. That's F-R-E-E-D, Freed. It's designated GB3, and this is a 2009 model. I think that's when the model actually came out. November, with 61,000 miles, and this one is fully loaded. It's got basically all the options I know of. It's got the full aero kit. It has the front drive lights. It's got twin power doors. It's a 7-seater, amazingly. With Sonar system parking sensors, etc. Anyway, it's a nice car. It's from a Honda dealer. It was graded 3.5, which was purely cosmetic. It has a few little touch-ups, and the interior needed a good valeting. It was just a car that had been sold as is, but it's a genuine grade 4 car, as you will see from the photos you can see in the Dropbox photo link and this video. So here we are. This is a model I think could be suitable for the UK. It's very versatile, and it's a Honda with a VTEC engine. So let's take a look. As I say, it's got the small LED drive lights and the Sonar sensors on all 4 corners. As you can see, there's a little touch up on the edge there, and it's got factory alloys. Yeah. Optional. Well, I think they're standard with the aero kit. And winker mirrors. The mirrors also in reverse. The mirrors fold down to give you better view as you're reversing. Yeah, the aero kit all clean, body panels all clean. The factory alloys, again, no issues on the corner or on the rear. While we're here, we just open the back door. Okay. It is a very clean car, inside and out, with the exception of a few touch-ups. You can see the configuration. It's actually 3 seats in the 3rd row. It's got individual 2nd row seats and front row seats, making it a 7-seater. Okay, known as Freed. Okay, all the body panels are clean and dent free. Another little touch up on that corner on the aero, which is about it, I think. The body panels are the same, very clean. It's a cute looking little thing and very versatile. The 1500cc VTEC engine. It comes with a full set of keys, 2 remote keys, and also it has remote engine starter. So you can start the engine remotely on cold mornings if you set it so the heat is on, so by the time you get out of the car is all warmed up. The screen is defrosted It has heating elements on the windscreen wipers as well. Okay, so it's also got keyless entry. The key can be in your pocket. I believe you just touch the handle. Sorry, it's getting very windy, so it might be a lot of noise in the background. Sorry about that. Yeah, it does. That looks fine. And as you can see, the driver's seat, the seat most prone to abuse, is fine. The sponge is nice, and the seat covers are clean. Very nice. Driver carpet does have a heel wear on the so either we would change the carpets, or you can find a decent hard smaller carpet to put down on the floor. And it has the controls for the power slide doors by the driver's seat, and an on-off for the Sonar parking, and the vehicle stability control, and the front screen heating as well. This one also has front, side and curtain airbags, which there again is a factory option that is not usual on this model. Okay, let's take a seat. Okay, so can we view the rear? Yeah, maybe we can. Let's turn it on. And there we have it. I think showing 98 or basically 99,000 kilometers. This is a grade 3.5, and it comes with a bunch of history, fairly recent history on the car, and also has reverse camera with guidance, and has audio controls on the steering wheel. And what else does it have? There's a cup holder here. There's no ashtray, and there's absolutely zero evidence that it's been smoked in. The car is, yeah, definitely a non-smoker car. As mentioned, when it is in reverse, sorry, is that working? Maybe I turned it off. The mirrors, oh yeah, sorry, the mirrors go back to give you a better view of the ground as you reverse. Again, very clean headlining. And passenger seat. Okay. And let's check the doors and open the bonnet. And that thing there is the aerial for the remote engine starter. Okay, turn it off. Let's just show the remote doors. And take a look in the back. Let's see, the second seats are individual seats, and which can be nice because it gives you a lot more access to the back of the car if you have smaller children. Nice clean third seats. and nice carpets. Okay, closing the doors. Okay, let's take a look at the VTEC engine. Okay, it's a 1500cc VTEC. So, okay, for this one, it doesn't have an auction sheet, but it is genuine 98,000 kilometers, 61,000 miles, and a grade 3.5 car. Again, for more detailed photographs and also to see the underneath of the car, please view the Dropbox link with about 60 photographs. Okay, so 2009 November, Honda Freed. Thanks. Bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.